Hey there, are you having trouble watching your favorite videos? This week I'm here to guide you on how to fix YouTube on Google TV and get back to streaming endlessly. YouTube is one of the most popular apps on Google TV, offering endless entertainment, tutorials, and more. However, technical hiccups can prevent smooth playback, causing frustration. But don't worry, we've got you covered with a detailed guide to troubleshoot and fix common issues with YouTube on Google TV. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First, ensure your Google TV is connected to the internet with a stable Wi-Fi signal. Navigate to your Google TV settings, select Network and Internet, and verify that your device is connected. Disconnect and reconnect to refresh the connection if necessary. Also, consider restarting your router to resolve any temporary connectivity issues. A solid internet connection is crucial for smooth YouTube streaming, so make sure your speed meets YouTube requirements, ideally above 10 megabits per second for HD quality. Step 2. Update the YouTube app. Running an outdated version of the YouTube app can cause playback issues. Head over to the Google Play Store on your Google TV. Search for the YouTube app and check for any available updates. If an update is available, install it to ensure you have the latest features and bug fixes. Keeping your apps up to date not only fixes known issues, but also improves performance and security. Step 3. Clear cache and data. Corrupted cache and data can lead to app errors. To clear these, go to your Google TV settings and select Apps. Find YouTube in the list and open its options. Choose Clear Cache to remove temporary files, and if issues persist, opt for Clear Data as well. This will reset the app, so you might need to log back in, but it often resolves persistent problems and frees up space. Step 4. Reinstall the YouTube app. If clearing data doesn't work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the YouTube app. Navigate back to Apps in the settings, locate YouTube and choose Uninstall. Then return to the Google Play Store, search for YouTube, and reinstall it. This can solve deep-rooted software issues that aren't fixed through other methods by installing a fresh version of the app. Step 5. Check Google TV software updates. Outdated system software can cause app compatibility issues. To check for updates, open the Settings menu, scroll to System, and select About. Choose System Update, and if an update is available, follow the prompts to install it. Keeping your Google TV software up to date ensures compatibility with the latest app versions and improves overall device performance. And there you have it, folks. Solving issues with YouTube on Google TV is just a few steps away. By following this guide, you can enjoy your favorite content without interruption. Remember, maintaining a good internet connection keeps your apps updated, and regularly clearing cache and data will prevent most problems. Should you encounter persistent issues, these troubleshooting steps provide a solid foundation for resolving. Enjoy your streaming experience, explore new content, and never let minor technical issues stop you from enjoying YouTube on your Google TV. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.